What are you making?
Vegetable muffins.
Vegetable muffins. We are making vegetables muffins.
How many eggs are there?
5 eggs. We took in here 5 eggs, and Eliza already start beating. Look. And then Eliza, tell Alpha.
What vegetables are these?
Carrot.
And corns and zucchini, and Jackie all cuts like that way, okay? And corn is a frozen, okay? And I take 1 cup, 1 cup, 1 cup, and that one is 1.5 cups. Zucchini cuts, you look like that. And then we're using flours, canola oil, a little bit butter, and some baking powder. That's it. When I'll mix, I'll show you what I put. Liza, wait, faster, like that. Okay. Now you can put down. Look, what is this? It's a look. Mix. It's okay. Mix. Yeah. Then carrot. Yeah, all mixed together. And we're making healthy food today. No sugar. And salt for taste. Yep. I cook. Okay. Now you mix. Do you need help? Yes. Like that. Mix properly. Can you do it now? Do it more. Hold your ball. Yes. Do it. And next you can put, this is 1/2 cup, measurement, and I take more half butter, milk butter, and then mix it like that, and 1/2 cup olive, not it's canola oil. Okay, mix it, yes. Yeah, hold it. And do you need help? Say yes, please.
Yes, please.
And mix it properly like that. Okay, just look here. Yes, healthy food. Now, what is this? Flour. 1 cup flour and 2 cup flour. Yep. Oh, I forgot to tell something. We're not putting any water in here. I'll put some milk in here, okay? Milk, 1/2 cup milk. No water. Lala, can you do it? Yeah, mix it. Mix it, Babu. Because of vegetables, all the stuff in here. So I have to change her. What I did before, remember that? Okay. Because we did that one, we can do it now. There's a little stuff in here. Okay. Now take a spoon and mix it like that way. Another, can you do it? Little more milk. I put half cup milk. Little bit more. Okay. That's it. Good boy. Good boy, more. Good, like that way, okay? No. Batter is ready. Yep. Yep. Our batter should be like that. Yeah. Like this thing. And now, another. Do you want to help? Or sorry, I forgot to put in baking powder, so I'm showing you. I put half teaspoon baking powder. Vegetables, muffins. Yep.
And me.
Yes, for you.
And Liza.
And for Eliza.
And Papa.
For everybody.
And Brian.
Yep.
Yeah. Don't call me.
So now I put some cheese top of that. I think I need to take more, hard paper like this, hard paper. Now it's ready for baking. So I put reheat my oven 180 degree. I'll put that on for 20 minutes. Change baking tray. I did mistake actually. I put the flat tray before. Now I change it and I put them like that way. Muffins ready, so I can cut one to share with you. It's very hot. This is soft, floppy, and look inside. It's very healthy and yummy.